How you doing? Well, I'm doing just fine. I lied, I'm dying inside.
I'm gonna tell you what I don't do. I don't know shit, I don't get stuff, and I don't understand things.
Jared, could you read number 23 for the class?
No, I cannot.
What up? I'm Jared, I'm 19, and I never fucking learned how to read.
Is it real?
I just put a can of beans in the microwave, but little do I know, I forgot to take the beans out of the can. And now my mother freaking house burnt down, and now I don't have anywhere to live, where to live.
What would you do if there was a child right in front of you?
Hey, yo, where y'all going? Where y'all going?
Why you need to know all up in my pussy, boy?
I'm an LGBT ally and this is a safe space.
Do you wanna fight? Do you wanna fight? Do you wanna fight? Do you wanna fight? Do you wanna fight?
Why are you running? Why are you running?
I had a grot Tim when I was chickacret. I had lots of a mock-up on my face.
Fuck this shit, I'm out.
Dude, I've heard rumours that these stairs are like haunted. Apparently some girl died here when she was like 9 or something.
I'm 11, so shut the fuck up.
I don't need friends. They disappoint me.